First ever.
2.
Let's see what she's got. Oh, there it is. Sitting, she's out. It's gone. She's frozen.
One and done!
Oh!
Jackie Cataline answering the bell.
Wow. Wild. It's the first time Charles.
Struggling with the headaches? Because you just received a hard flat slap on your face, or do you just have a pounding head pain? Then perhaps Aculief is really something for you. Aculief is a patented, compact, wearable acupressure device that applies pressure to the Li4 acupressure point on your hand, located between your thumb and forefinger. It's designed to provide natural tension and headache relief throughout the day. This is an all-natural, drug-free option for people looking for relief from pain caused by recurring headaches, migraines, eye problems, and fever. It can also help boost your immune system. Our Aculief clip is also FSA and HSA eligible for most health plans. Aculief goes where you go.